Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to mute a group on the WhatsApp desktop app with the latest update. If you've ever been distracted by endless group notifications while working or studying at your computer, this simple trick will save you a lot of frustration. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can see all of your chats on the left-hand sidebar. Once everything is open, scroll through your chats until you find the group that you'd like to mute. This can be any group, whether it's a family chat, a work group, or a community thread filled with constant updates. When you've located the group, move your mouse over to it, and then right-click on the chat. A menu will appear with several different options. Look through the list and select the option that says Mute. This is where you can control how long you want to silence notifications from this group. With the new update, you'll now see different time choices, such as a few hours, a day, or permanently. To stop the notifications completely, choose the option labeled Always. This means that no matter how many messages are sent in that group, you won't get interrupted by alerts popping up on your screen. Don't worry, you can still open the group whenever you want to check the conversation, but the constant notifications will stay quiet until you decide to unmute it later on. Muting a group is especially useful if you want to keep the chat available without leaving it entirely. It helps you stay focused on important tasks while still keeping access to messages for when you're ready to read them. And that's really all it takes. Just open the app, find your group, right-click, choose Mute, and select Always. A few clicks, and your WhatsApp desktop experience instantly becomes more peaceful and less distracting. Thanks for watching.